Hey guys, welcome back to my channel The Beauty Bliss. So in today's video I'm going to share with you this look. So let's create this glamorous green smoky eyes look, which is best for night events or night wedding or even festive season. So without wasting any time, let's get started with this tutorial and let's begin. So first I'm going to start with applying primer. So in this look I'm not going to use sunscreen because definitely it's a nighttime look, so no sun protection needed. And I'm going to apply primer on my T-zone area because I want to fill my pores over there. Next, I'm going to conceal my face and I'm going to use this Age Rewind concealer from Maybelline. And I must tell you guys, this concealer blends really well, and I'm going to use my fingers to blend this concealer over my lids so that I can create a proper base for my eye look. Next, I'm going to take this brown shade from Show Cosmetic eyeshadow palette Warrior, and I'm going to apply it on my crease area, and I'm going to really blend that eyeshadow, brown eyeshadow, and as this is going to be my transition shade of my eye look. Next, I took this black eyeshadow from the same palette. I started by applying the eyeshadow on my outer V of my eyelids. Then I'm going to blend it really well into my crease as well with the previous shade. So now I'm taking the concealer and going to do a half cut crease. Basically, I'm just cleaning my inner corners and the center of my eyelids with the concealer so that I could apply another shade, that is going to be a green shade from this Makeup Revolution palette, so that the color pops really well and just won't get blend into the previous shade. And this is how I'm going to apply my green eyeshadow. So as you can see, because of the concealer, the color has been visible and it's looking really good. So now I'm going to start my base makeup, and for that I'm going to begin with applying foundation all over my face and neck area, and the foundation I'm using from Maybelline and the shade is 310. First, I begin my foundation applying in dot all over my face and neck area, and now I'm blending it with the brush. Now I'm going to use the same concealer which I used at the start, and I'm going to apply the concealer to conceal my under eye area near my mouth to just make my skin look more even tone and flawless. To set my base makeup, I'm going to use this compact powder from Show Cosmetics, and I'm going to apply it under my eyes and area near my mouth. From this palette, I'm going to select blush and highlighter, and I'm going to apply blush on apples of my cheeks, and highlighter I'm going to use on high points of my face. So now I'm applying mascara, and I'm using this mascara from Show Cosmetics. The product name and description will be given in the description box below. Also, the buying links of the product will be mentioned there. Over here I'm lining my lips using a Swiss Beauty lip liner, and again the description of this product will be in the description box below, so do check that out as well. Now I'm using this bullet lipstick from Swiss Beauty, and I'm going to apply it all over my lips. While applying lipstick, I felt that lipstick shade was not much nude, so to make it more nude, I applied concealer on top of it and blended, and after that I got this beautiful nude lips. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video, and I hope you find this video helpful. If you did find this helpful, do let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. So I'll see you next time in another video. Till then, take care, bye bye, and thanks for watching.